What's going on, guys? It's your boy Toph, back at you with another one. I just wanted to show you how much I make selling on Amazon alone. I sell on many different platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy. I'm not in Walmart yet, but I'm thinking about it. So here's my Amazon seller page, and you can see I'm averaging $500 are usually my good days. The best days I've ever had was probably 1,000. But you can see 314 on the 15th, $200 on the 16th, 220. So there's 509 on the 18th, and it kind of fluctuates, but that's how much I make on Amazon. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you the other side of my business and what I actually do inside my manufacturing. So this is my manufacturing. This is just two of my racks. I have a bunch more. I'll show you the other ones, but you can see I'm running the P1Ss. The Bambu Labs P1Ss are my favorite printer. I also have the A1 Mini. The A1 Mini is pretty cool. And then obviously I got all my extra stock over here, and got a few boxes everywhere. I run the 14 by 10 by 6 boxes, so they look like this. You just fold them up when you're ready, and then I got a bunch of filament over here, and I'll show you around. Alright, let's do a walkthrough. So obviously the P1Ss, the A1 Mini. I do have a Synology back there, which is what saves all my data. Got a bunch of parts and business cards and all that fun stuff, but there's all my filament, my 14 by 10 by 6. I just started using the 6 by 6 by 6 boxes, but I don't know if I'm a fan of them. I really like the 14 by 10 by 6. They seem to do well. And then here's all my stock that I currently have. Some of the things that I'm making on the printers. So some are running and some are not. Let's go show you my other rack and check that out. So this is my first rack that I've ever had. One of my favorite racks. They got two of the X1 carbons. These are my first two printers that I've ever bought of Bambu Labs. I love them. They come with the AI detection, and which, if you get spaghetti, it'll stop the printers, as well as the LCD screens, which are really nice as well. I do like the P1Ss because they're more affordable. Their screens are a little more basic, but they're there. They give you a bunch of these in the box, which are just extras. I've never needed to replace one yet, but they're there if I need it. And these are the P1Ss, so they run really fast, comparable to the flash forges that I used to use. As far as build quality, I like the X1 carbons a little bit better. They're a metal chassis, it just feels more sturdy. Where the P1Ss they feel a little more plastic. So that's the P1S and X1 carbon. This is my third rack, and I'm adding more printers every day.